Do you find it difficult to teach your child at home? Let me ask you this. Do you feel unprepared to handle advanced or unfamiliar subjects? Is balancing work, household chores, and teaching overwhelming? Do you struggle to simplify and explain complex concepts? Is teaching at home leaving you stressed and frustrated? If your answer is yes, I have got something just for you. Introducing my 1 hour AI course designed to make teaching simple and stress free. With this course, you will learn the best and completely free AI tools, how to use them effectively to teach any subject, any age, no matter your own knowledge level. And you can access it anytime, anywhere in English or Hindi for just rupees 199, less than the cost of a meal. Yes, you can shape your child's future and become the confident parent you have always wanted to be. Take the first step to stress-free teaching at home. Visit teachwithai.in. Click on the Get Access button. Fill in your details like name, email, and mobile number. Make a one-time payment of just 199 rupees. Once done, you will instantly receive the course access link, which you can watch anytime, anywhere, at your convenience. Have questions or concerns? Feel free to reach out. I am Abhinav Jain, your AI expert, and I am here to personally address your queries and help you get started. You can email me at teachwithai.in@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at 8178338774. Do not wait. Take the first step today.